welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Shani Monroy and I make lifestyle content. But today's video is extra special because if you've been around for a long time, you know that my favorite holiday is Halloween. I love Halloween. I love dressing up. I love the colors. I love pumpkin spice. I love that Halloween is the first holiday that kicks off all the other holidays. But today, I thought it'd be really cool if I did a Halloween haul. I started decorating in August and my husband gave me a budget and I had to follow that budget to get all my new Halloween decorations, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And of course I had to wear black lipstick because, you know. Now before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Maybe some Halloween themed videos. I don't know. Just get started. Okay, let's start off with the first thing that you guys have asked me about. I started shopping in July because that's when you get the good discounts and sales. So I went to Joann's, I went to Michael's, Home Goods, Spirit Halloween, you name it, I went. So let's start off with the first store, obviously Spirit Halloween. The first thing I want to show you guys is my Beetlejuice sign. I got it for $50 at Spirit Halloween on their website. And it's a gem, guys. When I saw it, I was like, bro, I need this thing. Like, I need it in my life. My mom was not really happy with it because she thought Beetlejuice was a scary movie, but then my aunts convinced her that it's not a scary movie and Shani can have it in her house. And super, super light. You do have to buy batteries with it, but I just bought some batteries from like the Dollar Tree and I hung it by my TV, and I think it's a really nice touch because it's unique. Not a lot of people have it, and that's like one of the first things you see when you walk into the house. The one thing I don't really like about it is because in the movie they spell Beetlejuice different on the sign, and it says it different on this sign, and it kind of like defeats the purpose. The way I got my discount was I had to order, like, go past $55, and I'm like, bro, I'm not trying to buy anything else. So I bought a towel. I bought a towel, which is a Hocus Pocus towel from the movie Hocus Pocus, and they're like telling their spell. So it's just a basic towel, and I'm like, bro, fine, perfect. It, like, you know, it gives me the free shipping, so, you know, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And the towels that are next to the, you know, the Hocus Pocus towel, I got from the 99-cent store. That's another great place I'd recommend to buy some stuff, but I'll get into that later. The next thing I bought from Spirit Halloween was this bag. Let me show you the bag. So I'm obsessed with Beetlejuice, obviously, so I got the Handbook for the Recently Deceased bag, and it's just this bag, and I'm obsessed with it. I got it from Spirit Halloween. My husband bought it for me, and inside, I have gum in here, but it's just like Beetlejuice, like his outfit inside. But it's a super cute bag. I think I'd like it more if it was a backpack, but other than that, I'm obsessed. It can't get any better than this, guys. Next thing I got from Spirit Halloween was my friend Zero here. Zero is from Nightmare Before Christmas, and I know he's not, like, you know, in the Beetlejuice movie, but, you know, if you love Halloween, you love Halloween, right? My sister got me Zero because my husband and I are gonna dress up as Jack Skellington and Sally for Oogie Boogie. So she got me this for our outfits, and he lights up, which is, it's not about like having like crazy leaves and crazy big pumpkins. I just kind of like the little details. And I've always wanted stuff like this, but my mom never let me decorate our house like that. So now that I have my own house, I can decorate it the way I want it. So we did all the Spirit Halloween stuff. Let's go to another store. The next store we're gonna do is Home Goods. So I got these really cute ghost pillows from Home Goods, and I'm obsessed with them because not only they are super soft and comfortable, they are aesthetically pleasing, and they kind of like follow the Beetlejuice theme that I'm trying to go for, because I want like a black and white and then hints of color here and there, and that's what I'm trying to do. And these pillows match perfectly, and I'm obsessed with it. This is exactly how I wanted my house to look, and it's finally coming true. The next thing that I got from Home Goods, oh, okay, so we're just gonna like move over to my table. I am obsessed with this table. I love this table so much. I do wish I had more, which I know I'm gonna buy more stuff when it gets closer, but this table I'm obsessed with. The runner I got from Home Goods, and it glows in the dark, allegedly, which I have not seen yet. The Newlywed Skeletons cookie jar I got from Home Goods as well. I could not leave that. My husband was like, You have to get it. Like you have to. I think that's all I got from Home Goods. Everything else on this table is from like the 99-cent store, the Dollar Tree, and I got like little spiders from the 99-cent store. This pumpkin with a witch hat, which I am obsessed with. It is super cute, but since we're done with Home Goods, we could just move on to Joann's. I went to Joann's and I wreaked havoc. Did I say that right? I went crazy, basically. I just went crazy. I got these really cute 2 pumpkins that are black and white to match my couch and just match the Beetlejuice theme that I'm trying to get. And I really like them. This is one thing that I do recommend if you are going Halloween shopping, which I probably should tell you guys before, but I do this every year. I go in July and August to buy all my Halloween stuff because it's 70% off usually at Joann's, and then you get free shipping at other places, and everything's just usually cheap because, you know, like first come first serve type of sale. The easiest way to get all your Halloween stuff fully stocked and at good prices. And I also got this boo sign that lights up, which I love so much. I wanted to hang it up, but it looks really nice on the side table, so I really like that sign as well. I got this like little string, right? It's where my TV is. It has like, it's like a little hang thing. I don't know what it's called, but I got it from Joann's too. When I look at the TV, I want it to look like Pinterest inspired. So, and I got these string lights and just string lights in general from the 99-cent store because they're so cheap and you can just buy a bunch of them and, you know, they're like good quality. So now we're gonna move on to Sam's Club. Guys, don't sleep on Sam's Club. Don't sleep on them. I don't know if they're Squishmallows, but I got 2 squishy pillows from Sam's Club. Don't sleep on Sam's Club. If you're ready to smell the scent of pumpkin, the aroma of pumpkin in your house, I got this like Febreze, I don't even know what it is, thing that like what is it called? It like basically goes off by itself. Like it sprays by itself. Like every 39 minutes it sprays by itself. And the scent, I never get over it. It shoots and I'm like, it does it by itself. I don't have to worry about it. And I'm not gonna lose it because I always lose the ones you spray. And so I'd rather just have it sitting there and it sprays by itself, you know? I guess that's it for Sam's Club. All right, guys. That went by faster than I thought. I thought I had more stuff. But if you guys want a part 2 on Halloween haul and things that I buy and where to buy them, comment down below because I'd love to make these again. And I hope you guys have a safe and fun Halloween. And hey, if you guys buy any of this stuff, let me know. Like, I would love to see it in your house. I would love to see your Halloween decorations. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on social media to keep up with my Halloween stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.